These new mechanical toy videos are blowing up right now, and some creators are making thousands from them. The crazy part is, they're actually pretty easy to make with AI. Just look at this account. Almost every single video is pulling in millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these yourself and start creating viral videos too. Here's one I created myself. Alright, first open ChatGPT and click the three dots on the left side menu. Then click on GPTs. In the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and choose the top result. Hit Start Chat, then click Start Generator. Now you'll get a list of different scene concepts you can choose from. You can either pick one of the numbers or type More if you want to see new ideas. Let's go with number 1 for this example. Once you pick a concept, the GPT will generate 3 prompts for you. 2 image prompts, 1 for the start frame and 1 for the end frame, plus a 3rd prompt for the actual video generation. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Sjinn.ai. Click Tool Mode, choose Nano Banana 2, and paste the prompt in. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 2K, and generate your image. Once that image is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the 2nd image prompt. Now this part is important. Don't just paste it right away. First, download your first image, then upload it into Nano Banana 2 as a reference image. This helps keep the style consistent between both frames. After uploading the reference image, paste in the 2nd prompt, keep the same 9:16 aspect ratio and 2K resolution, then generate and download the 2nd image. Now that you have both images ready, go back and copy the video generation prompt. Then head back into Sjinn.ai, click Video, and choose Kling 3.0 Image to Video. Upload your first image as the start frame and the 2nd image as the end frame. Paste in the video prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and make sure the multi-shot option is turned off. It should look like this. Then set the duration to either 10 or 12 seconds. In my opinion, those lengths work best for this style of content. You can also choose between Standard and Pro mode. I usually use Pro, but honestly, Standard still gives really solid results. Now hit Generate and watch this. You can find all the links in the description below. The best part is you can make multiple clips like this and combine them together in Canva or CapCut to create videos over 1 minute long. That means you can monetize them through the TikTok Creator Rewards program. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.